This conference will now be recorded.
Hello.
Hi, Jay.
Hi, Manisha. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, shall we? Oh, nice. Today, Maharaj also joined.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So, let's start up the session.
Yeah.
Fine. So, we are supposed to start up with profit center accounting. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay, fine. Fantastic. So, let us start up with profit center accounting. Right. So, basically, see, why do we establish a business organization? To earn the profit, correct?
Yeah.
Right. So, how can we define the term profit? Any idea? If somebody is asking you how to define what do you mean by profit, how do we say in a simplified terminology?
Expense minus revenue, you said.
Simple. It is not expense minus revenue, it is revenue minus expenses.
Okay. Revenue minus.
Right. Simply, you can say that profit is nothing but it, which will be called as with so many other words, margin, net profit, profit. But in a simplified terminology, let us understand it as a profit. Profit is nothing but the excess of revenue over the expenses or over the cost. Excess of revenue over the cost or expenses is being considered as profit. Suppose let us say business organization is having a sales revenue, it has sold goods, it has sales revenue for a particular period. It can be, assume yourself, can be for month or term, quarter or half yearly or yearly. Let us say 100 crores. Then for generating the sales revenue, it has incurred expenses. Expenses nothing but cost. Let us say rupees 80 crores. 80 crores for a particular financial year or particular period. Assume that sales revenue, business has earned a sales revenue of 100 crores and expenses or cost 80 crores. So in this scenario, does organization is ended with profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit of how much?
20 crores.
20 crores. So profit, which is equals to 20 crores. 20 crores is the profit, right? So the point here is, in SAP, this profit center accounting is exclusively designed to know the profit at various levels and sub levels of the organization across the universe. So wherever the company is doing the business is operating. So what is the profit earned by the organization? So that profit calculation, profit arrival will be done using a submodule called profit center accounting. Okay. So the point here is, if you understand carefully the scenario or the example which I have given, sales revenue rupees 100 crores, expenses or cost is rupees 80 crores, and the profit is 20 crores. But the point here is there any standard rule saying that always business will earn the profit, will must and should earn the profit? Is there any standard rule?
No.
There is a possibility that it might incur losses, correct? Suppose, let me take an example, another example. Let us say sales revenue sales revenue is 100 crores, expenses is, let us say, 110 crores. So in that case, profit will, there is no profit, there is a loss to the extent of how much? 10 crores, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So this 10 crores, we do not call it as profit, rather we call it as loss. Okay. sorry, we call it as loss. Whether it is a whether business has earned profit or loss, the earned profit or loss must and should be reported, must and should be generated within the system. To generate reports related to the profit, we use a separate module of controlling module, separate submodule within the controlling module, that is profit center accounting. So the point here is whether to calculate profit or loss. Listen to my explanation very carefully, please. To earn profit or loss, whatever it is, to know the profit or loss, basically we need to know, business has to know two things, two aspects it has to know mandatorily. So unless it will know, it has come to know about two aspects, it will not calculate, it will not arrive either profit or loss. So to arrive the profit or loss, organization must and should know sales revenue as well as cost or expenses, correct?
Yes.
Right? So in profit center accounting, the sales revenue, how within this module, within this submodule, organization should have data with respect to sales revenue, and also it should have data with respect to expenses or costs. Generally sales revenue, sales made by the organization will be processed either in finance module or in sales and distribution module. There is a separate module called SD module, which we call it as sales and distribution module. So the sales revenue will be whatever the sales made by the company, made by the business, those sales made by the company will be processed in either in sales and distribution module or in finance module. So as the sales revenue is getting processed either in SD module or in finance module, data with respect to sales is available either in finance module or in sales and distribution module, correct?
Yeah.
Then coming to the expenses or cost, this cost, the information, expenses, incurred expenses will be processed in finance, and automatically data with respect to expenses will be floated, will be transferred to controlling module. Not only that, not only from the controlling module, from other modules as well, like production planning module in real time, material management module, another functional module. From different modules, cost will be processed, expenses incurred will be processed. The moment I say expenses, means it can be general expenses, expenses can be related or towards material consumptions or planning with respect to various activities. So whatever the expenses incurred and whatever the sales generated, that sales information and expenses information also must be available in this profit center accounting module, so that profit center accounting module will enable the end users to generate the reports with respect to profit. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Right? But the point here is, as I was mentioning, sales revenue will be processed, or the data with respect to sales either will be available in finance module or will be available in sales and distribution module. That means whatever the sales data which is available either in finance module or in sales and distribution module, the same data shall be floated to profit center accounting submodule as well, so that the data with respect to sales made by the organization will also be available in profit center accounting module. Clear? That means
Yeah.
to the profit center accounting, to the profit centers, sales related data will be floated either from finance module or from sales and distribution module. Okay, then coming to the expenses part, cost part, the information with respect to the cost, the information with respect to the expenses will be derived, will be taken, will be floated from either from controlling module or from material management module or from production planning module or from any other HRM. If it is related to employees, it will be floated from HR module, which we call them as HCM module. So from different modules, the expenses data will be floated, expenses data will be transferred to profit center accounting. So now sales related data will be floated into profit center accounting. Expenses related data also will be floated, will be transferred into profit center accounting. That means both the data is getting transferred to profit center accounting, that is sales data as well as cost data. So as sales data and cost data is available at profit center, can we able to calculate or can we able to arrive profit or loss? Is it possible to arrive profit or loss?
Yeah.
Right? So but to arrive profit or loss, what are all the settings that we require, and what are all the configuration settings required, and what is master data required, all those things we will be dealing, we will be seeing under the head called profit center accounting. So before that, please take down some points. Point number 1, profit center profit center profit center is an organizational entity which is responsible for which is responsible for which is responsible for arriving profit or loss at various levels and sub levels of the organization. Second point, to arrive the next point, second point, profit is the excess of sales revenue over expenses oblique cost. Profit is the excess of sales revenue over expenses oblique cost. Therefore, profit is equal to sales revenue minus cost oblique expenses. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next point, third point. Profit center accounting is one of the submodule of the SAP CO controlling. CO means controlling, you know that. Profit center accounting is one of the submodule of the SAP CO module to which data with respect to number 1, sales will be floated either from FI module or oblique and from sales and distribution module. SD module we call it as sales and distribution module. Number 2, cost oblique expenses with respect to number 1, sales will be floated either from FI module or oblique and from sales and distribution module. Number 2, cost oblique expenses will be floated will be floated either from CO module or oblique and material management module within brackets mm comma production planning module within brackets pp comma human capital management module within brackets HCM and other functional modules. Other functional modules. So now the point here is to happen like this, to generate the profit or loss related reports, what are all the settings we require and how reports related to profits shall be generated in the system. Let us look into the topic by topic things. Am I clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, put the heading basic settings. Basic settings. In that, step number one. Step number one. Step number one. Set controlling area. Set controlling area using OKKS. OKKS. Set controlling area using OKKS. Using OKKS. Using OKKS. So give OKKS in the command box. Give OKKS in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Give the controlling area. What is our controlling area?
MMI1.
So MMI1. Give the controlling area. Give the controlling area. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Now the system is in our controlling area. Just we ensure that before going for the configuration of profit center accounting. Next step. From now, the actual concept comes into the picture. Step 2. Maintain controlling area settings for profit center accounting. Maintain controlling area settings for profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Maintain controlling area settings for profit center accounting using 0KE5. 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 Yeah. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SPRO. SPRO. Press enter. Press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Controlling, then profit center accounting visible. Profit center accounting.
Yes.
So profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Then basic settings. Basic settings. Basic settings. Then controlling area settings. Controlling area settings. Then maintain controlling area settings. Maintain controlling area settings. Maintain controlling area settings. So click on this clock icon beside maintain controlling area settings. Click on that clock icon, maintain controlling area settings. It will take some time, please do wait. Yeah, see, you can see the screen change view controlling area settings overview visible.
Yeah.
Right, next, now slowly do one by one. See, you are able to see first column dummy profit center. I'll explain later. Then standard hierarchy. The similar terminology we have seen in case of cost center standard hierarchy, right?
Yes.
So cost center standard hierarchy, we have created cost center standard hierarchy. Just I'll show you. That is KSH3. Yeah, so this is the cost center standard hierarchy we have created. Production, service wing, semi-service wing, right?
Yeah.
So this cost center standard hierarchy we have created in controlling module from the point of view of cost, from the point of view of expenses. And this standard hierarchy we have created to generate various reports related to expenses or cost. Similarly, in profit center accounting also, we create one standard hierarchy, and that standard hierarchy we call it as profit center standard hierarchy. So by creating profit center standard hierarchy, we will be able to generate reports related to profit at various levels and sub levels. Clear?
Yeah.
Right, so just I'm giving here, you can give any code, it's an alphanumerical code. So just profit center standard hierarchy underscore MMI1. It need not be the same, you can give anything. So PCSHR, PC stands for profit center, SHR stands for standard hierarchy, MMI1. For my easy remembrance sake, I'm using MMI1. Then select, after this you can see elim.ofint.business vol. What exactly it speaks about? elimination of internal business volume. It says elimination of internal business volume. Write down carefully. Select elimination of internal business volume checkbox. I explain about this later in later sessions. Select elimination of internal business volume checkbox. Okay. The next, you are able to see profit center local currency type visible.
Yeah.
So here, click on the drop down button and give 20 profit center local currency as 20. 20 means controlling area currency. So give 20, 20, 20, sorry, 20 profit center local currency type 20. 20 means this 20 will speak about currency maintained at controlling area. What is the currency we have maintained at controlling area? Company code currency, right?
Yeah.
What is the currency maintained at company code? INR. So that means we are telling the system to consider INR as the local currency in case of controlling area as well as in case of profit center as well. Okay. The next, select store transaction currency checkbox. I'll explain later. Select store transaction currency checkbox. Okay. The next, control indicators visible. Control indicators
Yeah.
visible, please. So here from year 2018 active indicator. So select active indicator for the year 2018. Select active indicator. That means we are telling the system that profit center accounting submodule is in active status from the financial year 2018. I repeat, by selecting that active indicator, system will understand that profit center accounting submodule is active from the financial year 2018 onwards. Okay. Then click on save. Click on save. Click on save. It will take some time, please. And get the message data was saved. You can see the message in the bottom left side. Get the message data was saved. Next step. Next step. Step number 3. Step number 3. Step number 3. Maintain version maintain version using OKEQ for profit center accounting. Maintain version using OKEQ for profit center accounting in order to generate reports related to profit oblique loss at various levels and sub-levels of the organization. Look at the step description very carefully. Maintain version using OKEQ for profit center accounting in order to generate reports related to profit oblique loss at various levels and sub-levels of the organization. So please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Ah, God. One second, please. Right, please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. One second, please be on the line. Right. SAP Easy Access. SPRO. 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 Presenter. Presenter. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Controlling. Controlling. General controlling. General controlling. Then organization. Organization. Then maintain versions. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. So click on this clock icon beside maintain versions. One second. Click on clock icon beside maintain versions. Please do wait. Right. Just 1 second. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain versions. So click on clock icon beside maintain versions. Click on that. Click on maintain versions. Clock icon of maintain versions. It will take time, please do wait. So select version 0 with color. Write down very carefully, please. Select version 0 with color. Select version 0 with color. Then carefully write down. Double click on settings for profit center accounting, which is on the left side. Double click on settings for profit center accounting. Double click on settings for profit center accounting. So double click on that. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. New entries. Click on new entries. Here, visible year. Year. Are you able to
Yes.
see this? Yeah. So give the year 2018. Do not give current fiscal year. Give the previous fiscal year. Then you are able to see online transfer. Select online transfer checkbox. Online transfer checkbox. And do not select version locked. You should not select that one, please. If you select that one, you will not be able to generate the reports. So select line items checkbox. Line items checkbox. Then exchange rate type. Give the standard one, P. Exchange rate type. Give P. P stands for standard translation for cost planning. So give P. And value date. Give 01 04 2018. 2018. 01 04 2018. I come back to this setting and again I'll explain, please. Okay. So click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. And get the message data was saved. And get the message data was saved. Next step, important step. Next step. Step number 4. Step 4. Maintain control parameters. Maintain control parameters for actual postings. For actual postings. Maintain control parameters for actual postings using 1KEF. Using 1KEF. using 1K EF. Yeah. So please take down the path. SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, SPRO, SPRO, press enter, press enter, click on SAP reference IMG, click on SAP reference IMG, then controlling, then profit center accounting, profit center accounting, profit center accounting, one second please, just for time being I'll stop sharing the screen, again I'll share it, please be on the line. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay, profit center accounting, then basic settings, basic settings, basic settings, then controlling area settings, controlling area settings, controlling area settings, then activate direct to postings, activate direct to postings, activate direct to postings, then set control parameters for actual data, set control parameters for actual data, set control parameters for actual data. So click on the clock icon beside set control parameters for actual data. Click on clock icon beside set control parameters for actual data. So click on that clock icon. Then click on new entries. Click on new entries. Give the year from year 2018, 2018, 2018. Never select this checkbox locked. So select line items checkbox and online transfer checkbox. Don't need to worry, please. Again, I'll come back at right time to explain this setting. So from year 2018, select line items checkbox and online transfer checkbox. And click on save. Click on save. Click on save. And click on save. Get the error message. Get the error message. Controlling area MMI1 is incomplete. Get the error message. controlling area MMI1 is incomplete. Visible? On the left side, you can see the message.
Yes.
Okay. Let me double click on this. There is a reason. Okay. It is not allowing to do this particular setting. You must have taken note. Still get the error message. Controlling area MMI1 is incomplete. Perfect. Right. Next step. Next step. Step number 5. Step number 5. Create dummy profit center. Dummy profit center using KE59. KE59 under profit center standard hierarchy. Under profit center standard hierarchy, in order to resolve the error message in step 4. In step 4, create dummy profit. I'll explain, please. You will have to wait. So why we need to create dummy profit center, I'll explain. But to complete fourth setting, this profit center has to be created. So that's the reason why I'm giving create dummy profit center using KE59 under profit center standard hierarchy in order to resolve the error message in step number 4. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Then SPRO. SPRO. Presenter. Excuse me. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Controlling profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Master data. Master data. Master data. Then profit center. Profit center. Profit center. Then create dummy profit center. Create dummy profit center. Create dummy profit center. So click on this clock icon beside create dummy profit center. Even in real time also, during the implementation, we create dummy profit center. Please do remember. So click on this clock icon, create dummy profit center. Write down very carefully. Double click on first option, EC-PCA, create dummy profit center. Enterprise Component Profit Center Accounting. ECPCA stands for Enterprise Component Profit Center Accounting. So double click on EC-PCA, create dummy profit center. First option. I repeat, double click on EC-PCA, create dummy profit center. Then give the code. It's an alphanumerical code, but in real time also we mention it as dummy only. Dummy, dummy. Please do remember, we create profit center called dummy with the code dummy even in real time as well. Please do remember this. Dummy profit center, give the code dummy, press enter, press enter, press enter, then click on basic data tab, visible on the top left.
Yes.
Basic data tab, basic data. Give the name dummy, dummy, dummy. Description, dummy profit center, dummy profit center, dummy profit center. Then give profit center group. You don't need to search for it. Just click on this drop down button. System will give you the profit center group. Just click on this drop down. See, PCSHR underscore MMI1, visible.
Yeah.
As soon as I clicked on this drop down button, system has picked up that one. Where from system has picked up this profit center group? In the second step, yeah, standard hierarchy. While performing second settings and at step number 2, we have maintained some controlling area settings for profit center accounting using 0KE5, right? So while doing settings with respect to profit center accounting basic settings, we have given this code PCSHR underscore MMI1. Just for your clarity sake, I'll show you. Please be on the line. General controlling, profit center accounting, basic settings, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. See, here we have given visible PCSHR underscore MMI1, right?
Yeah.
So we have defined this code as profit center standard hierarchy. Therefore, as soon as I clicked on this particular thing, profit center group, as soon as I clicked on this drop down button, system has picked up the profit center standard hierarchy which we have created. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, is profit center group and standard hierarchy both are same or?
Both are same. Group is nothing but hierarchy. Both are same.
Okay.
Similar case with cost center group and hierarchy. Okay. So click on save. Just let me close this screen. Click on save. Click on save. But I haven't clicked on save yet. But before clicking on save, just look at what is valid from date here. 1st January 1950, right?
Yes.
Okay, just remember that. So click on save. Get the message. Get the message. Profit center dummy has been created. Profit center dummy has been created. You can see the message in the bottom left side with a green indicator. Get the message, profit center dummy has been created. Step is not yet over, continuation. Double click on ECPCA change profit center. Second option, visible, Manisha? Second option, is it visible?
Yes.
So double click on ECPCA change profit center. Double click on that, change profit center, ECPCA change profit center. It will take some time. Yeah. Click on change validity period. Visible? Click on
Yeah.
change validity period. So click on that. Yeah. Once you click on that, it is saying fill in all required entry fields. Just give the person responsible. Just I'm giving Manisha. Person responsible Manisha. Yeah. Give the person responsible Manisha. Then click on change validity period. Click on change validity period. Write down very carefully. Once you click on change validity period, the small box will come. The small window will come, which is having valid from date as 1st January 1950 and valid 2 days to date as 31st December 9999. Right? Visible?
Yeah.
Now write down carefully. Change the valid from date. Change the valid from date from, I repeat, change the valid from date from 01/01/1950 01.01.1950 TO2 TO2. Understood, Manisha?
Yeah.
To 01/04/2018. 01/04/2018. I repeat, change the valid from date from 01/01/1950 to 01/04/2018. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. See, look at here. What is the status?
Inactive
Inactive.
change.
Must
Yeah.
not be inactive. It must be in active status. Okay. So you must have taken note. Still press enter after changing the valid from date, right?
Yeah.
So click on activate indicator, which is something looking like a torchlight or a candle. Visible? Activate icon.
Yeah.
So click on activate icon. As soon as you click on activate icon, system will ask, do you really want to shorten the profit center's validity period? We have shortened, right? It was from 1950, we have
Yeah.
reduced, right? So click on yes. Click on yes. And get the message, profit center dummy has been changed. Profit center dummy has been changed. Profit center dummy has been changed. Right. Now, see, we got an error while performing step number 4, correct?
Yeah.
For that, we have done step number 5. Now, step number
Yeah.
6. Step number 6. Maintain control parameters for actual postings using 1K EF. Maintain control parameters for actual postings using 1K EF. 1K EF. Maintain control parameters for actual postings using 1K EF. So please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SPRO. SPRO. Press enter. Press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Controlling. 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 Profit center accounting. profit center accounting, then basic settings, then controlling area settings, controlling area settings, activate direct postings, then set control parameters for actual data, set control parameters for actual data. So click on this clock icon beside set control parameters for actual data. Control parameters for actual data. So click on this clock icon. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. New entries. Give from year 2018. From year 2018 and select line items checkbox and select online transfer checkbox. From year 2018 and select line items checkbox and online transfer checkbox. Click on save. At this point, system has thrown an error in step number 4, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm clicking on save. Now system should not give me the error, give us the error. So click on save. See, it has not given any error message. Rather, it said data was saved, and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Next step, important step. Step number 7. Create / maintain / change profit center standard hierarchy using KCH5. Please take down the path. Yeah, I will continue in tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, have a nice time.
Thank you.